this lesson, we are going to add the Joomla module element. So let's click on this. Now, when you come here, it's going to ask you, please select a module first. Let's go on the back end. Joomla uses module positions. Module positions are sections of your website that you can put different content on. So you want to add a text, you want to add an image, you want to add a video on different sections of your website. Well, this is what Page Builder here allows you to do, and you can style those too. So where it says popular post, this is the sidebar position. All these here are the positions that you can be able to use that is currently being used right now. So let's go back here. So let's click, when you click on the drop down, you see off canvas, top one, blog search. When you come to the back end here, you notice that you have the same positions that you can choose from right here. So we're gonna come here and click here, and we're gonna go to, let's see what's block search, and we'll see. I'm not sure what's in that module. Latest news. So the first one that I chose didn't have anything on there. So if you wanted to add an item, from the menu, from the modules here, this is where you can choose to do that. And whatever information that you have on here, it is going to be represented on the page. But if you don't have anything, then nothing is going to be represented. There's probably going to be blank. So you want to make sure that whatever module you select, that you've already created one that you're pulling that information from.